Welcome to Phalanx. With Phalanx, you can tackle the biggest problem in data security, human error. Having a secure and compliant organization no longer needs to be a struggle between security requirements and everyday tasks. Know your cyber risk, encrypt all your data, and transfer that data, all while giving your users seamless access using the actions they're already taking and the technology they're already using today. Whether you're a team of one or thousands, you have data that needs protecting, but not the time to make sure it does. That's where we come in. Phalanx automatically encrypts all of your files so you don't have to. All you need to know how to do is double-click or right-click the files, something you're already familiar with. Once we've automatically encrypted your files, you can send them any way you want. Email, a messenger, a cloud drive, or any other way. No need to worry about if the files are protected or how to send the person a password or a key. We handle that for you. What if you need to know your organization's cyber risk? We got you covered there too. Manage all the users in your organization and see how exposed you are so you can easily stay compliant. No longer worry about if everyone's making the right decision, since Phalanx is handling it all automatically behind the scenes. Work from your home, office, or workcation with the confidence that your data is secure. Phalanx pairs our first-hand security experience with automation for seamless zero-trust data security designed for users without sacrificing productivity.